Hello students, in this video we will discuss about area related to circle. Actually this chapter is the maths of 10th class. This chapter is very important to point of examination point of view. Now area related to circle, that means what is the circle and what is the terminology of circle. Already circle and about circle and terminology related to circles we have discussed in chapter circle also. Now what is the area of circle and what is the new topics related to area of circle. Since here we want to define area of circle. Area of circle. Mathematical definition of area of circle, that means area of those region contained by any circle. Area of region contained by a circle. OR, that means with center O and whose radius is R, is given by is called area of circle. That means suppose this is a circle and whose center is O and radius is R. Suppose OA equal to R. Then what will be area? Area means those regions contained by this circle. That means this region is known as area. That means how much area occupied by this circle is known as area, and this is given by area of circle equal to pi r square, where pi is a constant and value of this pi is generally denoted by 22/7 or 3.14, and r is the radius and R is the radius of circle. Thus, by the help of this formula, we can find the area of any circle whose radius is R and center is O. In this chapter, we will discuss about also area of sector. Area of sector. First, try to understand what is the sector. Sector means area contained by two radii or two radius of circle and arc of circle. That means suppose this is the arc of circle and this is the radius of circles. If both radius subtend, that means subtend the angle by this arc on the center in theta, then we can find the area of this sector. Since this region means bounded by this sector is less than the semicircle, so this sector is known as minor sector. What is minor sector? Now, minor sector means area of minor sector is equal to theta, which is the angle of center, and upon 360 into pi r square, where pi r square means area of sector. By this formula we can find the area of minor sector. But anyone want to find the area of this portion, that means if left the area of this minor sector, then this area is known as major sector. Major sector. Then area of major sector will be equal to theta upon 360. That means theta means angles obtained by this major arc on the center of circle. That means this will be 360 minus theta. Then we should be replace this theta by 360 minus theta. That means 360 minus theta whole upon 360 into pi r square. With the help of this formula, we can find the area of major sector. But by the another formula, we can find the area of this major sector. We can express this. Suppose pi r square is the whole area of this circle, and if we subtract from this area, that means area of circle, to this area of sector, then this will be remaining area, and this is known as area of major sector. So this will be pi r square, which is the area of sector, area of circle, minus area of minor sector. Area of minor sector. This will be equal to pi r square minus theta upon 360 into pi r square. By r we can express like this, pi r square taking as a common, so this will be 1 minus theta upon 360. This is the area of major sector. Now we will discuss about area of segment. That means first we understand what is the area of segment, means what is the segment. As you know that segment means area or region bounded by any chord to and arc of circle. That means segment, and we want to find area of segment. What is the segment? About this we have already discussed in the chapter 10, that means circle. What is the area of segment and what is the diagram? Suppose this is a circle with center O and radius is R. Suppose this is a chord AB and region between this chord and this arc of the circle, that means this region is known as segment, and this whole region is known as area of segment. How to find the area of this segment? This is very simple. If you find the area of this sector AOB and subtract from this area of triangle AOB, then this will be remain, and this is known as area of segment. Since area of segment, suppose we write here P, area of segment APBA is equal to area of sector AOBPA minus area of triangle AOB. Since area of sector AOBPA, if this angle is theta, then area of this sector will be theta upon 360 into pi r square minus area of this triangle. Now we should be identify which type of this triangle. If this triangle is equilateral, then we should be apply the area of equilateral triangle. If this is right angle triangle, then we should apply the area of right angle triangle or other. That means we write in general form area of triangle AOB. This gives the area of segment APGA. Since this segment formed in the minor sector, so this is known as area of minor segment. Minor segment. Now, area of major segment. Major segment. This will be equal to pi r square, which is the area of whole circle, minus area of this minor segment. Area of minor segment. Now in this video we will also discuss what is the possible area of triangles. I write here since or note area of right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. When this triangle will be right angle, that means AOB. If this angle, center angle is 90 degree, then this triangle will be right angle triangle. The area of right angle triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. This formula is very popular and already you have studied about this formula from the very earlier classes. And area, this is the first and this is the second. Area of equilateral triangle and equilateral triangle is equal to root under 3 upon 4 into side square of side. This is two mainly formulas to finding the area of triangle. Now in this sequence we will also discuss what is the quadrant and what is the area of quadrant. Now quadrant is nothing but if we divide the area of any circle in 4 equal parts, then each part is known as area of quadrant. That means if by an arc of a circle subtend right angle on the center of circle, then that sector is known as quadrant. So area of quadrant equal to 1 by 4 into area of circle, that is pi r square whole upon 4. This is the area of quadrant. Now in the next video we will take some example.